Hi friends, in this video we are going to see about social media marketing, search engine optimization, search engine marketing and social media optimization. These are the topics we are going to see this time. So this is something which talks about how a website can be successful, how a YouTuber can be successful with these blogs, or how anyone who wants to be prominent person on internet can be successful. These are the main deciding factors for a person's success in internet. Okay, so in this video I will generally talk about all these four factors, and later we will see each and every one in detail. Search engine optimization, it also has a technical search engine optimization is also there. And apart from that, the common method of search engine optimization is how you create a content. When you create a content on a video, there will be tags and other features which are given by the video hosting sites. So for example, in YouTube you have a description, you have a tag, you have a title. These are the main factors of search engine optimization, because YouTube also has a search engine. When they talk about YouTube search engine optimization, we will talk it as YTO and YTM for marketing. Okay, marketing is it's a very depth term. I will cover it on a separate video. So subscribe to my channel, press the thumbs up icon, share your comments below, and what are the queries you have about this kind of social media and website promotions. Okay, because I am not a technical person to solve about the coding and all those stuff. And getting into the video, the search engine optimization is mainly about the words you use in a search engine and how far it's relevant to your website. For example, if I want to conduct an e-camping for a product, my target everything should be focused on the product. For example, if I have a very hi-fi technical product, for example, which will be used by the IITians or doctors, so at that time I have to find out who is the main key person who is continuously conducting webinars. Mainly on my focus is towards internet, so I have to look for a person who is prominent on internet as well as on that particular area if it's a highly technical product, because this product is only going to be used by engineers, scientists and doctors. So I cannot go and invite a cinema star, but it will be a great attraction. But still, what the kind of intention or what the kind of energy I develop towards this, it will be different. So I get that person name itself will have a branding. Okay, so I will have a hosting ceremony in which I will also to add flavor. He will give a speech about that, and I will have all the key points which are all being the recent developments on that area, so that with that particular content I will be able to grab the audience who are not even searching for this product. So that words are very important. So search engine optimization is nothing but selecting the words. In this there are two types, on page and off page. Off page is something like a marketing process wherein you use other links and other web bloggers, other blogs to promote this website. So that's always a completely a different story. But even there are, when you come to highly social interactive websites, like you have e-commerce portals now, may it be Flipkart, Amazon, everything. The product review is written by customer forums are there. There the customer interacts. There each and every customer types their product name. So that again becomes a repetitive branding for that. So that's another different strategy for a common kind of a website. And I want to be a branding can be done for film stars in a website. So if a film star wants to have a channel or a website on his name where he creates an image to his audience, so that many people, for example, setting as a home page. This is one of the marketing technique, but still when they have a prominent place, a logo to set this star's website as a home page, every day that particular person will think of the star. So whenever his movie comes, he will go and watch. Or when that star talks about a product on an ad, immediately this person buys. So that's a kind of an ambassador branding we can do for a consumer based product. So these are the kinds of outline for doing an SEO project, because the relevance of the content which you use in your website and what you want to sell and your target audience should be matching. For selecting the keywords, we have lots of tools. Google AdWords is there. So many tools are there for by Google, by other third-party websites. You can search it on Google itself. And there are also different search engine, Google, Bing, and so on. And YouTube as a video portals have their own search engine. Okay. So based on the particular search engine, also you have to select the content. You can, those in the tools itself, you have that option. It's very simple. You have to type what's about your product or key feature of your product. That will automatically pull you what are the words. And the language skill of the writer of the website is very important, because this person should have the ability to frame beautiful sentences using the maximum utilization of these keywords. So these keywords also should be arranged in a way, and the way they present a paragraph. For example, I can create a word with full of keywords, and customer comes into my website. He was unable to understand what I have written. He will immediately hate that website itself. So that's the kind of an articulative skill the person should have. And these skills mainly, the best thing to do is search in Google, find a similar product, see how they have done it, which are coming on the top ranking. Based on that, frame your knowledge, frame your idea, and then go for Google and other things. Say some other keywords as well, and Bing keywords as well. Like that, frame a collective action of finding out best keywords and bringing it into a collective manner is called the on-page optimization. Social search engine optimization is this. So you have to find the words and collaborate and do that. So the next one comes to SEM, search engine marketing. So how we will be marketing a search engine? We won't be marketing a search engine, we will be marketing in a search engine. How is that? In Google search, you will be seeing some ads on the side, right? Simple and best example is the ads on Google search engine page. Similarly, you have it on YouTube search engine page. Similarly, you have it on Bing search engine page, like that. So on a search engine itself, if you place an ad, that becomes a search engine marketing activity. And another one thing is pay per click. This is another one activity. When you have a link which will be prompt up by paying the search engine itself, and if they click on that, at that time only you pay the search engine. But in every action, the main performance will be on your content and the target audience group. And when you place a search engine ad, anyone who is going to search a relevant content is only going to see your ad. So you are reaching the target audience group as well. So this is how it goes. And another one thing is called as social media optimization. What is the social media optimization? Now here comes many factors, like now today you will be having many social medias, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Pinterest, Tumblr, like that. There are Tumblr, there are like that so many search engines. We read Reddit, e-bloggers, like that. So if you, one best place to find the search engines is if you click on the share icon below this YouTube video, you will see lot of social medias. Go and do a study on all the social media. So marketing your product or your ad on the social media is called social media marketing. Simple. So if you for YouTubers, you will be copy pasting your video links, so that many people will watch your videos. On maybe on the page post, you will have a login and have a profile ID. So you have a profile there. On your profile, they give an option to paste a link. On that, you paste your video links regularly. Even prominent bloggers like Madan Gauri emphasizes on this. He says that apart from content, the YouTube creator also should concentrate on self-marketing. You have to spend some quality of time to market your own videos. No one else will do your work as you, because you are the one who loves to do that. The kind of dedication no one else will have. So you have to continuously do this social media marketing as well. Okay, what is the social media optimization? You have a page in your profile, is there. In this profile, you have to optimize this profile. Until and unless you have to optimize this profile, people won't be coming to this profile page, right? You have to add your friends. That's again a kind of marketing activity. And even though if you add your friends, if your introduction and everything is not good, and if your profile photo and your you will be having a profile image as well, if all these things are not good, people won't be attracted to see that. They may accept your request for, as you are familiar with them. Strangers won't accept at all. Until you have this very beautiful, you won't be able to get people by relevant of their designation. Most of us do that in people who are working on the marketing field will be knowing that. They will be asking you to be active on social media with the most prominent buyer of your product, target audience of your product, and that too on deciding authority level people. To have that, your social profile should be an optimum one. The word should be catchy. Your designation and your description of your designations are very important tools. That's how people find you on social media. Mainly this LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the one which is mostly used by professionals. In this LinkedIn, the profile imaging is very, very important. Facebook as well. Facebook, most of us use for our friends and family. I also belong to that category, so we don't bother much about Facebook. But Facebook is also, I will tell you, if you are doing in YouTube, Facebook will get you more than LinkedIn, because until you explain about a product or something in Facebook, nobody will be interested in LinkedIn. Nobody will be interested in your videos most of the times. So when they found something relevant only, the main focus for people to be in LinkedIn is for jobs, for their professional contacts. These are the two main. That's not mostly into entertainment, but they do have entertainment stuff. But as these two are the main concept, you have to create a proper designation, and social media profiling is much important and essential for LinkedIn profiles. Okay. So on simple terms, in social media profiling is also about keywords. So your designation, what are you going to do for the society, that kind of imaging, and attractive pictures, and the picture and the concept should be viewed, should be visualized by your picture and others. This kind of representation is very essential for social media optimization. So these are the key factors. Apart from that, these keywords only are going to show you as a suggested friend for the people who are your expected audience. So okay, that's a kind of idea about social media optimization. Now come to social media marketing. Social media marketing is about, I said right, for YouTube bloggers, posting their videos and links is very essential. That is social media marketing. It's a very simple term. In any social media, you market a service or a product or yourself, your profile branding. For example, cine actors. And when I talk about cine actors, once I read an article in a magazine that there's Tamil actors, Ramya Pandian. One of her photo shoot accidentally posted on Instagram reached a maximum number of audience. So through that, she got more number of cinema bookings. Like that, this is also a kind of a social media marketing example for actors, models. So these people, they brand their own image. And similarly for social reform organization, welfare organization, they have to reach the philanthropic mind people. Philanthropers has to be reached. So they have to target that kind of audience, and the imaging, the photo shoots they do should be attractive, and that should create an image that they have to donate for these people. But don't show them very poor and very awkward. Show them that you are giving a good standard to them. That's when they will get an impact that you are working. Or sometimes you can use some photo shoots, so that from this stage we have brought them to a better stage. So that kind of imaging happens on Instagram. Okay, so each and every social media has its own application. Based on the application, we have to do the social media marketing. And okay friends, now another one main branding activity which I have to do here is, you have to press the thumbs up icon below this video, subscribe button, and subscribe to my channel. If you are wealthy enough to contribute something, you can use the join option to contribute to me. And then the comment box, you can start commenting on that. And soon I will be coming up with much more videos about artificial intelligence and all those stuff. So this is also going to be a learning channel apart from entertainment. Yes, for peacemaking and good entertainment, I have fish videos, animal videos, and I have spoken on general topics as well. So watch all those videos. That's when you will have a free mind. When you have a free mind, you will perform better, and you will reach all the heights in your life. Okay. So if you have any doubts or queries, or you want to know about anything, start commenting on that. Someone else who knows that may reply to your comment, not only me. That also can happen. So be confident, and share this video in all the social medias and start doing a social media marketing of this video and try practicing. When you click the share button, you see all the logos. Go and create accounts on all the logos and share this video first. So you understand how many people are viewing that post. You go and see the next time. And then when you click on my photo, you will be getting into my channel. Subscribe there and go to the videos tab and see all my videos and start sharing the videos based on the target audience and check whether the people are liking my video. So based on that, you can do an practical class on this. Okay, so go to my videos tab, see all the videos, find which video will have a good audience on which social media, promote that, see how many people have viewed the post, liked the post. Like that you can do a experimental learning. Okay, so experiment class is also included in that. Okay friends, and anyhow I have to say bye. It's time to say bye, and it's your Joe Janjay signing off from you. Bye.